In a world where grooming is an art, the quest for the perfect beard oil becomes a journey of health and conditioning. Today, we're not just talking about any beard oils. We're diving into the elite circle of the top 5 best beard oils of 2023 that you gotta have in 2024. These oils aren't just about conditioning, they're about transforming your beard experience. Stick around until the end for a bonus DIY beard oil that you can start in your own kitchen. King C Gillette Beard Oil, the budget-friendly choice. First on the list is King C Gillette Beard Oil, known as the budget-friendly gem in the world of beard care, bringing together a legacy dating back to 1901 with modern grooming excellence. This oil is a rich blend of nature's best: grapeseed, macadamia, avocado, soybean, tea seed oil, sweet almond, argan, and peppermint. Each application immerses you in a woodsy, fresh fragrance that's light yet distinct, enhancing your grooming experience. Despite its slightly thick texture, it surprises with a non-greasy touch, leaving your beard soft and supple. It's an ideal choice for those new to beard grooming or looking for quality without a hefty price tag. The royal blue packaging adds a touch of elegance and functionality, perfect for extensive beard care. While it does contain synthetic perfume, and the scent might fade faster than some would like, the overall effectiveness and value for money made King C Gillette Beard Oil a top pick for the budget-conscious beard enthusiasts. Mountaineer Brand Beard Oil, best value for money. Mountaineer Brand Beard Oil, the best value beard oil of 2023, comes straight from the heart of West Virginia, a place valued for its rugged excellence. This oil mixes 6 essential and carrier oils, each carefully chosen to nourish and rejuvenate your beard. It's not just about keeping your beard well hydrated, it's about a complete transformation towards a dandruff-free and healthy beard. The fragrance is a standout feature. Think cedarwood, fern needles, and a hint of lavender. It's a distinctly masculine scent with a woodsy touch that feels natural and invigorating. The packaging is as practical as it is elegant, featuring an easy-to-use bottle in a soothing blue, reflecting its natural trademark. The texture of the oil is exactly what you'd want. It's non-sticky, non-greasy, and applies smoothly thanks to a cleverly designed restrictor valve. It's an excellent option for those with heavy beards or anyone who puts a premium on both beard and skin health. Honest Amish Beard Oil, the best-selling classic. Honest Amish Beard Oil, a bestseller and a nod to authentic, all-natural grooming, stands out for its traditional Amish craftsmanship. This beard oil blends nature's finest, including avocado, virgin pumpkin seed, sweet almond, apricot kernel, golden jojoba, virgin argan, and hemlock oils. Each ingredient is chosen for its natural benefits, providing antioxidants and essential vitamins to nourish both skin and beard. The oil's fragrance is a harmonious balance of slightly fruity and masculine scents, offering a natural, pleasing aroma. Its thick texture is perfect for deep moisturization, catering to hair and skin without feeling heavy or greasy. What sets Honest Amish Beard Oil apart is its commitment to eco-friendliness. Steering clear of plastics and harmful chemicals, it's a choice that's good for you and the planet, ideal for those who value natural ingredients and environmental consciousness. Searching for the perfect beard oil isn't just a style choice. It's a journey towards optimal skin and hair health. These oils don't just groom, they transform, offering scents like rich sandalwood or crisp eucalyptus that captivate and allure. Let's explore how the right oil can elevate your grooming routine, combining health benefits with sensory pleasure. Gentleman's Beard Oil, the luxurious runner-up. Gentleman's Beard Oil is the luxurious runner-up in our list of best beard oils. It's a blend where usefulness meets elegance, blending organic evening primrose oil, pure jojoba oil, and vitamin E. This unique combination ensures your beard looks its best and feels great too. The standout feature of this beard oil is its sandalwood aroma, lending a sophisticated and suave scent that's both refreshing and subtle. This scent is a hit among those who appreciate luxury in their grooming routine. The oil's texture is another highlight. It absorbs quickly, leaving your beard feeling silky and pleasant without any greasy afterfeel. Presented in a convenient 30mm tube, Gentleman's Beard Oil is perfect for all beard lengths and particularly suited for sensitive skin. Users have reported a significant reduction in itchiness and roughness, making it a go-to choice for enhancing your beard's appearance and health. Jack Black Beard Oil, the gold standard. Jack Black Beard Oil, rating in as the best overall beard oil of 2023 and undoubtedly the beard oil you need in 2024. It is a dermatologist-approved marvel specially formulated for the wise beard aficionado. It stands apart with its unique blend of natural ingredients, including marula, plum, and kalari melon oils, carefully chosen for their nourishing properties. This premium oil takes a step away from the common argan and jojoba oils for a distinctive formula that deeply treats dry skin and facial hair. The result? A beard that's not just well moisturized, but also easier to manage and infused with a healthy shine. The fragrance is subtle, clean, and fresh, perfect for those who prefer their grooming products to be pleasantly understated. Jack Black's beard oil's fast-absorbing, non-greasy texture ensures a comfortable application, making it a daily grooming staple. The commitment to eco-friendliness is evident in its formulation, free from parabens, sulfates, and phthalates. Packaged in a handy 30mm blue bottle, it's designed for easy use and regular application. Highly recommended by users for its effectiveness in moisturizing and managing the beard, Jack Black Beard Oil sets the gold standard in beard care, blending quality, eco-consciousness, and user satisfaction into one unbeatable product. While our list highlights the top brand beard you need for 2024, don't forget that an excellent DIY option is just a kitchen away. You can easily get started with some common ingredients found at home. All you need is your carrier oil as a base and an essential oil for the scent. Carrier oils form about 95 to 98% of your beard oil blend. They're crucial, providing the base for essential oils. Here are a couple you may find in your kitchen pantry. Coconut oil. It's a superstar for moisturizing and conditioning, perfect for taming frizz and adding shine. Grapeseed oil. Light and non-greasy, it's packed with vitamin E and great for oily skin. Essential oils add fragrance and much more. They come with therapeutic properties beneficial for skin health. Some essential oils commonly found in homes. Lemon essential oil offers a vibrant scent and shine plus antiseptic qualities. Lavender essential oil, known for its soothing aroma, it promotes hair growth and has antimicrobial properties. Your DIY beard oil recipe: 1 ounce coconut oil, your carrier oil, 1 ounce grapeseed oil, a carrier oil, 10 drops lemon essential oil, 10 drops lavender essential oil, a small funnel, and a 2-ounce dropper bottle. Top tips for DIY beard oil: quality matters. Opt for high-quality, pure oils for the best beard nourishment. Balance the scents. Combine strong scents like lemon with softer lavender for a harmonious fragrance. Start small. Essential oils are potent. Begin with fewer drops, increasing only if needed. Safety. Always do a patch test when trying new oils to prevent skin reactions. Regular application. Use your DIY oil regularly for optimal results, especially after showers. Proper storage. Keep your beard oil in a cool, dry place away from sunlight. Creating your own beard oil at home is fun and a great way to tailor the product to your specific needs and preferences. Give it a try and experience the difference. The 5 beard oils we've covered today stand as titans in skin healthcare, each offering a unique blend of care, style, and nature's touch. From budget-friendly options to luxurious choices, there's something for every beard aficionado in 2024. What's your pick in the quest for the ultimate beard oil? Share your experiences and thoughts in the comments below. And remember, the right beard oil can be a game changer in your grooming routine. If you want more recipes on making your own beard oil, then watch this video.